Alright, before I get started with this, I just want to say something real quick. I am not apologizing for who I am and what I like or who I like. And also, nobody is perfect, and that's okay. And also, if you don't like what I'm saying right now, then I don't care. No, seriously, I don't care because that's not my problem, alright? Alright, let's get started. This is Ryan Roo here, and welcome back for more Donkey Kong Country Returns. In last episode, we did these two levels, and this video, we're gonna continue on by starting off with this level. Oh yeah, yeet. So let's do it. Alright. It is on like Donkey Kong. Let's go. Alright, nothing to the left. Blow these. Blow these two. Banana coin. Blow that. Bananas. Oh yeah, this level. Alright. Alright, let's go. Gotta wait for these platforms. Aha! He didn't jump. Okay, thank God I had Diddy Kong's jetpack. Alright. Alright. Oh, great. Those platforms fall once you step on them. Alright, blow this. Banana coin. Okay, I'll wait again. Alright, go. Okay, there we go. Checkpoint. Alright. Oh boy, the lava is rising. Wow. Oops, I botched. Okay. Or actually, not really. Alright, puzzle piece. Oh yeah, the lava is rising, my brother. Alright. Damn it. Dang it. Blow that. Banana coin. Oh, I see a puzzle piece on the top right. Over here. Alright, there we go. Oh crap, the lava. I'm dead. Damn it. Dumb ways to die. Alright, let's try this again. Damn it, I wish I had Diddy. But I don't. Alright, yeet. Make our way back to the top. Also, screw these fireballs. He didn't jump. Alright, got the letter O again. Alright, yeet. Yeet. Yeet, yeet, yeet. Alright, blow him. There we go. Aha, puzzle piece. Oh, this part. There we go. Okay, move. Alright. Alright, letter N. No, blow it. Okay. Oh, that was close. uh, aha, puzzle piece. Okay, come on. Oh crap, the lava. Okay, go. Oh no! I missed the letter. Oh my god. Alright, you know what? Uh, I'll be right back. Me back. Alright, let's try this again. Damn it. I missed a puzzle piece somewhere. Oh my god. Of course. I got all the Kong letters though. Why do I always miss one puzzle piece? My god. Alright, well, you know what that means. Alright, I'm gonna grab my boy Squawks and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back and man. Okay, so the last puzzle piece is actually at the beginning, which you'll see in a second. So like right here. Yeah, right there. Alright. Secret. Alright. So yeah, I forgot about this. Man, sneaky, sneaky. Nicky, sneaky, sneaky. Nice reference to Nikki Cross. Yeet. Alright, I'll see you guys at the end of the level. Alright, there we go. Did it. Alright. I got all the puzzle pieces. Yeet. Alright. And I'm gonna do one more level. Alright, down here. The temple level, so let's do it. Oh yeah, yeet. Alright. It is on like Donkey Kong. Alright, let's do it. Hit this. Oh. Oh yeah, this one. Oh crap. Alright. Damn it. God. I wish I had Diddy Kong. God. Let's try this again. That is so mean. Alright, there we go. Puzzle piece. Okay, so you want to dodge these guys. Damn it! Alright, you know what? I'll see you guys back there. Alright, I'm back. And as you see, me and Diddy are feeling oozy. Haha. Don't care. Don't care again. Alright, there we go. Puzzle piece. Oh yeah. We feeling oozy, my brother. Oh yeah, this part. Alright. Jump on the Squidwards. Alright. Okay, there we go. Puzzle piece. Alright, this part. Whoa. It gets speedy, my brother. What the heck? That was weird. Alright. There we go, puzzle piece. Alright. Whoa, spike balls. Oh, dang it. Or, I don't know. I hope I wasn't supposed to collect every single coin. Jeez. Good thing, yeah. It's a good thing I have Diddy. Be, you know, his jetpack. Alright, there we go. Okay, good. Alright. And we did it. Yeah. Also, yeah, I forgot. It's official. We have completed every single temple level. Haha. Alright, there we go. Alright, I'm gonna end this here. So, thank you guys for so much for watching. If you guys like this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more, and ring that bell to get notified of my next video. And I'll see y'all next time. Oh yeah, feeling oozy? Yeet.